Do you struggle trying to find a healthy snack for your family? Sometimes I do, but today we are going to be making a very tasty peanut butter dip that is natural, healthy, good for you, simple to make, and tastes amazing. Hello, I'm Marcia Vogel with Ray of Hope Essentials, bringing you yet another way to use essential oils in your health and wellness journey because they don't do you any good sitting on your shelf. This recipe is actually fairly simple. All you have to remember is a half a cup. So we're going to start with a half a cup of whipping cream. You can also use a half a cup of Cool Whip if you don't mind using that. I prefer to go natural. I like the taste of real whipped cream. So in order to get half a cup of whipped cream, we're going to start with about a quarter cup of the whipping cream and whip it. Then we'll whip it and be right back. All right, so there we have about a half a cup of whipped cream. Then we are going to add half a cup of plain Greek yogurt. You can do the vanilla type. I prefer to add my own sweetener and flavoring. I'm not a big sweet person, so we're going to add most of this. Then we're going to add half a cup of peanut butter. And we're going to mix that up. So that is mostly mixed. Then I'm just going to add some monk fruit to sweeten it a little bit. I happen to really like monk fruit. Doesn't take much to sweeten it. It goes a long way. And then we're going to add Cassia Essential Oil. This is similar to cinnamon in flavor, but it has different chemical properties. It is a very potent oil. So I'm just going to dip a toothpick in here, get a little bit of oil on there and swirl it around. And it's not too overpowering. If you really like that flavor, you can always add more. It's hard to take it out. So we are going to start with that. Now, when you're using essential oils internally, you want to make sure you've got a very pure, very quality essential oil. I only use the doTERRA essential oils personally. They are tested in multiple ways and multiple times in the processing, and they come with a supplemental fact label. So with that supplemental facts on there, that means that you can take it internally as well as use it aromatically and topically. So we'll mix this and we'll come back and try her out. So I did end up adding another teaspoon of monk fruit, as none of the ingredients had any sweetener or sugar added to them. And now it tastes amazing. This would be great to throw in kids' lunch boxes, make a great party hors d'oeuvre, just a nice evening snack, after school snack. It keeps in the fridge for a good week, if you can keep away from it for that long, because it's pretty good. If you found value in this, click like, hit subscribe. We'll be making more videos on different ways you can use essential oils in your health and wellness journey because they don't do you any good sitting on the shelf.